The Kulu District Administration in Himachal Pradesh on Tuesday has suspended all the adventure sports activities till September 15th in view of the yellow alert issued by the Indian Meteorological Department in the state. The IMD had issued a yellow alert with a warning of heavy rains across Himachal Pradesh for the next couple of days. This comes after Himachal Pradesh experienced heavy rainfall on Sunday night, leading to flash floods in Kangra district and swept away buildings and cars. 3 people died and 9 others, including 4 women, were reported missing after the flash floods washed away over a dozen houses in 2 remote Kangra villages. Several cattle and nearly a dozen vehicles, including 6 cars, were also washed away in the flash floods in Kangra Valley in the past 24 hours. A medical student from Kerala who was the first Indian to have tested positive for COVID 19 in the month of January last year has contracted the virus for the second time. The Kerala resident was diagnosed with coronavirus after her return from Wuhan in China last year, where she had been studying. According to the district medical officer concerned, the student is asymptomatic. She has decided to quarantine herself at home and is being closely monitored. The 20-year-old is a resident of the Thrissur district and reportedly received her test result on July 13th. Officials familiar with the matter also said that the student is yet to receive the first dose of an approved COVID 19 vaccine. Ace sprinter Duti Chand said in her interaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday that she is looking to show at the Tokyo Olympics that Indian women are not less or weaker than anyone and that the country will progress only when its women prosper. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother, and people used to tell my mother why she was giving birth to so many girls. We had little food to eat, and my father's income was also very low. I was thinking if I play well, I can get a good job in the government sector, Duti told Prime Minister Modi. She further said that now I have managed to get a good life for my family, and I would like to thank you and everyone who have helped me to achieve that. There has always been controversy in my life. There have been a lot of challenges I had to overcome to get here. Duti will be making her second appearance at the Olympics. She was the third Indian woman to participate in the 100-meter event at the Olympics. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi told Duti Chand that she should take part in the Olympics without getting bogged down by expectations. He said, "You have made a number of records for this country. The country hopes that you will find a place on the Olympic podium. Let go of all your worries and participate. The whole of India is with you." Circulation of a wedding invitation card on social media led to calling off of a function scheduled for July 18th at a hotel in Maharashtra's Nashik. The guest had been invited to the wedding function of a Hindu woman and a Muslim man. The invitation card went viral and enraged social media users who described the union as love jihad. Faced with mounting pressure to cancel the event, the bride's father, Prasad Adgaonkar, wrote a letter to his community on July 10th informing that the function had been called off. Adgaonkar is a prominent jeweler in the area. The wedding function with Hindu rituals was scheduled for Rasika, who is 28 years old, and her former classmate Asif Khan. They have already registered their marriage at a local court. Adgaonkar, however, wanted his daughter to get married with Hindu rituals and hence organized a ceremony at a local hotel. His close relatives were invited for the same, and the groom's family had no objection to it. However, after the invitation card went viral on social media, internet users uploaded angry posts about their interfaith union. The Madras High Court recently imposed a 1 lakh rupees fine on Tamil movie star Vijay for trying to avoid paying tax on a high-end car he had imported in 2012. The judge gave him an earful for going against the statutes despite being a reputed actor whom fans often see as a real hero. Pay the entry tax as demanded by the respondent within a period of 2 weeks from the date of receipt of a copy of this order, Justice S.M. Subramanian said, according to a PTI report. He imposed an additional fine of 1 lakh rupees on the star, which must be paid to the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's COVID-19 Public Relief Fund also within the 2 weeks. In case of failure to pay up in time, the court asked the respondents, in this case the Home Department, the Assistant Commissioner of the Chennai Assessment Circle, and both the Regional Transport Officer and Motor Vehicle Inspector of Chennai South to initiate all further actions following the procedure.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, Choose the language you prefer to get updates in and be up to date with the latest news.